Hey Stallions! Today we are going to play a fact or opinion game. Are you ready? You can do this game with a buddy or you can do it by yourself. If you want to do it with a buddy, now's a good time to pause your video and find a buddy. Okay, in this game, if whatever I say is an opinion, you're going to raise your hand like this cute emoji. If it's a fact, you're going to do an X with your arms. Here we go. Are you ready to play? Get those arms ready. My mom is the best mom. Is that a fact or an opinion? If you think it's an opinion, you're going to raise your hand. If you think it's a fact, you're going to make an X with your hands. Go ahead. Do you and your partner agree? Let's check our work. It's an opinion. Next one, bats can fly. Is that a fact or opinion? If you think it's a fact, you're going to make an X with your arms. If you think it's an opinion, you're going to raise your hand. Bats can fly. Do you and your partner agree? Let's check the answer. It's a fact. Did you get it right? Or did you get it wrong? Talk to your partner. The sun is hot. Is that a fact or an opinion? Yep, that's a fact. Football is fun to play. Is that a fact or an opinion? Do you and your partner agree? It's an opinion. Frogs can be green. Fact or opinion? That's a fact. Now, here's one more that we have to do. This one I want you to put on Seesaw for your teacher to see. Pizza is very good. Is that a fact or an opinion? You can go ahead and either raise your hand or make an X, and then I want you to go on Seesaw and tell your teacher if it's a fact or opinion. Go ahead. Is it a fact or opinion? You're going to tell your teacher on Seesaw. If you're still watching, after you make your Seesaw video, you can ask your teacher for a dojo point. Thanks for watching the whole video and being a great listener.